Hello friends! Today we are making miniature fruit juices for your dollhouse. You will find a free sample of 3 packagings in the description of this video. We will be working on a 1/6 scale for this tutorial, for 1/12 scale, as well as the rest of the packagings in 1/6 scale, and 1/3 scale. Please visit my Etsy shop at littlemagieshop.etsy.com. First, after you download and open the PDF file, you need to select File, Print. In the preview settings, select the page that you would like to print. For scale, enter 100%, and for quality of the print, select Best. You need to print on a cardstock paper for the best results. Once you've printed the page, cut out all packagings. Next, use small scissors and a ruler to gently trace the lines where you will fold the packaging. This will help you keep straight lines when folding. Fold the packaging. Glue down the tabs. Apply craft glue as a top coat to prevent moisture.